Kilo Code versus Augment Code. Kilo Code is an open source AI coding assistant for VS Code, designed to streamline the entire development workflow through multi-agent intelligence, planning, coding, debugging, with deep customization and transparency. So its pros is it has multi-mode AI agents. It includes orchestrator, architects, code, debug modes, and custom modes. It also has batteries included. It's also open source. It's fully open code and no vendor lock-in. It also has context-aware, reliable APIs where you can use to fetch real documentation and avoid hallucination. It also has active community and free credits, which also has some proven developer feedbacks. The problem is though, it has a steeper learning curve, and it has an occasional hallucination. Now, Augment Code, on the other hand, is a commercial AI coding assistant integrated into several IDEs, powered by a proprietary context engine. It can generate code, refactor, apply suggestions, and autonomously run terminal commands or open PRs. So its pros is it has deep code-based context awareness, great at navigating large projects, smarter suggestions than many peers. It also has a fast and accurate users, its speed and precision, and it's highly rated by developers. The problem is it has some occasional instability. It also has some opaque internals and privacy caution, and it has less learning benefits compared to KiloCode. So overall, choose KiloCode if you want an open source, highly customizable AI teammate with transparent operational and deep control. And then go with Augment Code if you want a high performance, context rich assistant built to accelerate coding across large projects.